not smell like.
No.
It smells like a little bit burnt.
Do you have medical marijuana in there now? I mean, is it packaged properly?
Yeah, I'm going to assume this is not packaged correctly.
Because it would have a prescription on the package.
Yeah, it just says Uncle Snoop Smalls.
I've never heard of Uncle Snoop's medical marijuana.
On February the 13th, 2023, at approximately 5:33 p.m., officers with the Columbus Division of Police spotted a black Chevy Camaro driving through South Park Apartments with very dark window tint. The officers performed a traffic stop on the vehicle and informed the driver of the reason for the stop. While speaking to the driver, the officers detected the odor of marijuana emitting from the passenger compartment of said vehicle. The officers requested a canine to respond and walk around the vehicle. The canine did hit on the vehicle, and during a search, the officers located a large bag of marijuana as well as a loaded firearm. Both occupants of the vehicle are convicted felons and cannot possess a firearm. The driver of the vehicle was one Mr. Laquan Steverson, and his criminal record includes convictions for felony possession of drugs, felonious assault with a firearm, and 2 counts of weapons under disability, or having a weapon while being a convicted felon. The passenger of the vehicle was Mr. Robert Lipsy Catling, and his criminal record includes multiple counts of WUD, falsification, and a kidnapping charge that was pled down to domestic violence, where he was given 3 years of probation. The driver, Mr. Stefferson, was charged in federal court with weapons under disability. Mr. Lipsy Ketlin was charged with weapons under disability, but his charges were dropped.
What's going on, man?
How you doing, man?
Good. Hey, the reason why I pulled you over, your tint's dark.
Yeah. That's why I took this one up, because they said this one will roll the window down.
Yeah.
So I don't understand about that, but that's how I had to take this one off.
I got you. Do you have your registration in here?
My registration?
Yeah.
I might have left it at the house.
Can you check in insurance?
My insurance is sure. I keep my insurance on my phone.
Okay.
I know you're not driving, but just so you know. 0%. You already knew about the 10 because I got stuff with
Can I
you.
get another card in the 60? I got you, bro.
Yeah, because that's why I actually took it, because they always told me, like, it's always the front one.
But you gotta do this one too. This is 0%, he said over there.
Oh, okay.
The legal limit's 50. That's a lot.
Yeah, I can keep the windows down. They say something about the windows down, but because I put them in.
You're right there. It's right there. 8-0. I just got to test a tint. It's dark as shit. Right there is good. Right there is good. 8-0. It's 0. Do you see that, man? I know you're not the driver, but just so you can see, 0%. It has to be 50.
See, I do.
It's in one of these, but it's verified. I got American Family Insurance.
151.
For my, I'm trying to find for my car. Yes, the 10.
So, like, the lower the number, the darker. It's like a percentage of this.
Because I have a couple insurance. Well, I have.
I got you. 88 is okay now.
K9, monitor channel 3, K9, ground Glenwood.
I think it's
Okay. Yeah. Appreciate that. Alright. Yeah, you're good. Is it not expired? Okay. I appreciate it, man. Give me a second, okay? Randall, you back here?
Yes, sir.
Can you try to go in the front rather than coming behind us?
Yeah, which direction are you guys facing?
Towards Glenwood.
Getting ready to exit now. Alright, a red or maroon Hyundai, John Frank Mary 8214. Got some sort of damage on the left driver's side, rear bumper. It's a red or maroon Hyundai SUV, she's saying.
You know, this would be a high dollar amount of property.
Yes, sir. There's like, it smells like maybe marijuana, but I can't like deny that or say there is. So
Drivers are main suspect.
Canine will let you know whether it is or isn't.
safer route. Like flew right through South Park, and then hurried up and came here. 10-0%.
Is there just two of them?
Yes, sir.
Good one, I'm out flagging.
Is it okay to get them both out of the car then?
Hey, Feltner, can we get him out? He said he does have medical marijuana,
He says he does. I don't know whether it's.
but it's burnt though, so let's see. You said you do have medical marijuana card?
Yes.
You guys smoke in there?
Huh?
You guys smoke in the car?
Do I smoke in the car?
Yeah.
No, I just run around. I might have my shells, but I'm not smoking.
Like roaches?
No,
Like your car to smell like burnt marijuana?
No, I don't.
It does not smell like.
No.
It smells like a little bit burnt
You
marijuana.
have medical marijuana in there now? I mean, package probably?
That's all I'm saying. That's
Do you have your med card?
Yeah.
That's an appointment scheduled.
Appointment.
No, I'm smoking. It's not my appointment. I don't got my appointment on here, but it got my.
No, you have to have a card.
Yeah, my
We got
car
the
was on
appointment.
here, but it was not my car because I got to do it.
Is it like a physical copy?
You can get it
If
too.
he doesn't have a card, I'll still run the dog.
Yeah. Yeah, it says cancel. Keep going. You have to have. I have to see the
I'm
physical
trying to see the
card.
card.
Say your name and all that. He's saying, but it shows like appointment, like scheduling appointment, but he doesn't have an actual card.
Yeah, you sit here in the process.
He's trying to pull a card up, but this dude said that he smoked marijuana. So I mean, like you can't.
No, you can't smoke it. And dog hit on it. He's him hauling around about whether it's freaking packaged correct. I mean, he may have an appointment. He may have medical marijuana
doesn't have a
card,
physical
but
card
you
on
can't
him.
smoke it in there. So you're good. In my opinion, we're good to search.
Yeah.
I think we need to verify it anyways if he does have a medical marijuana card, if it's packaged properly. Because if it's not, that's illegal. So I think we're good to search.
Yep, me too. I mean, it's like I said, it's burnt in there, but I mean, where we're at, it could be any of these cars. So that's why I wanted to be safe. And then
I
he
agree
said he
100%
smoked,
with you.
so you can't light flame the flowers. So. Yeah, I'm gonna assume this is not packaged correctly.
Because it would have a prescription on the package.
Yeah, it just says Uncle Snoop Smalls.
I've never heard of Uncle Snoop's medical marijuana.
Alright, Ashley, I do need one officer for guard 6:30 to 8:30. E3 is 560.
There's the magazine right here. He's what, so... This is taking work.
You have our call it media talk about ID.
Hey, 33. 33. Good shit. It's back there. Right there. Fucking move off. Thank you,
There's
sir.
a magazine in that too.
Yep, and I have the other one right there.
I got a camera. I can take pictures.
Please. Thanks, sir. We knew it was in here.
I'll grab my camera and start taking pictures. I'll take pictures of this weed too.
Okay.
This is not medical marijuana.
No, it's not. And I mean, it's burnt. Like everything, it's gutted and.
Yeah, look at all the freaking shape in here.
Yeah.
The scale. I'm gonna run these to make sure they are Zanny bars too.
Yeah.
Until identification. Way again.
We got shut down at White Storm, so we got to go eastbound on Mount.
I don't need no eastbound.
Sweet, buddy. It was a good job. Good boy. Yeah, you. Good boy.
Freeway, Mill Freeway.
I think it's always better to err on the side of caution. We get the dog. I mean, dog hits. We're good with the car. That way they can't play the, hey, you sure you smelled marijuana? Well, my dog did. I stuck the serial number on that piece of paper. That's what's in the gun.
Gotcha.
I didn't run it or anything yet.
Okay.
This stuff right here is aprazolam, Schedule 4. It's for anxiety.
Okay. It's on Xanax, huh?
That's what I thought it was Zanny bars broken in half, but most of the pills are all broken in half, but there's 2 zeros on some, 9 zeros on the other, and this is what I found, and that's what they look like. It's a Schedule 4. I don't know what is bulk amount for a Schedule 4.
It's gotta be like
A bunch, probably. Yeah. But
Do you have a camera?
I took pictures of
You
the gun
all
already.
Sweet,
Yep.
sweet, sweet.
I was just going to email them to you. So I don't know how to get on Premier One and do all that shit, but I can email them to you.
That works.
Yeah, Yeah, I got pictures of the plate of the car, the magazine that was in the glove box, that gun, where it was at, then broken down. I got pictures of the bag of weed too.
Was the stock magazine in the
Yeah.
one in the chamber?
Yep.
Damn, that's a good find. We could have missed that easy. It was deep shoved in there and shit.
When I saw those sides were backed out like that, I tore mine on the driver's side. Then when we started tearing that side out, it was right there.
That's awesome. He was nervous as fuck. I thought he was gonna try to run.
The passenger.
Yeah.